It's back. Taboo Science is returning for season 3. What is Taboo Science?
So fecal transplants actually have this very colorful history.
If you were one of the women who wore it, it was a secret.
Something about exploring the edges of our consciousness is part and parcel of what it means to be human.
It's like, remember that anonymous question box you had in health class? You know, the one where anyone could write a question on a slip of paper, put it in the box without their name attached, and the teacher would answer that question in front of the whole class? That was where the real questions got asked. The gross, scary, embarrassing questions that we all had, but nobody was brave enough to admit. Taboo Science is like if your other classes had that box. Like, what if you could ask your science teacher what the genetic origins of homosexuality are?
I've said to many people, look, you don't get from DNA to dick sucking in an afternoon.
Or ask your social studies teacher why we have moral hang-ups about wearing makeup.
Lipstick wasn't something that good girls wore until like the 1920s. Before that, it was sex workers. What is wrong with that belief?
It's not true.
Or ask the school nurse if drug use is really all that bad.
Addiction studies focus on the pitfalls, but I think that maybe we're missing some of the benefits.
Taboo Science is the podcast that answers the questions you're not allowed to ask. It's hosted by me, Ashley Hamer, a science writer and podcaster. And those questions have some pretty fascinating answers.
Many asexual people are really tired of being asked about their sex habits, including masturbation.
Go wastewater. Go poop.
Go poop.
Maybe we don't know yet, because we haven't studied it, what the evolutionary advantage of pleasure is.
Season 3 drops April 20th. Follow the show now so you get the first episode in your podcast feed. And listen to the last seasons if you're new here. You can find it all on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts. Give Taboo Science a listen. I won't tell anyone.